The vivid colors of the Paithani in the market are out. Look at these saris and you will be spellbound by the color palette that seems to defy every rule in the book. Odd mixtures creates the most spectacular and opulent leaves that have made the Paithani famous. Traditional trousseau of a typical Maharashtrian bride, Paithani is one of the most magnificent and luxurious textiles in the world. Paithani is a brocade sari which is completely handcrafted with traditional tapestry technique. Its special feature is that it looks identical on either side of fabric. This beauty lies in the eyes, hands and mind of its weaver. To own a Paithani is to own a treasure. Its origin lies back in 200 BC. Paithani gets its name from the place to which this craft belongs, Paithan. Paithan is a town in Maharashtra, located in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Aurangabad district. Paithan, known as Pratishtana, was capital of Satavahana Empire in times of ruler Shalivana. This was the time when cotton and textiles were greatly exported from his empire to foreign countries and is also said to be the time when Paithani sari developed. Major contributors to flourish of Paithani are Peshwas, Aurangzeb and Nizams. A major incident in history of Paithani is a shift in its manufacturing center from Paithan to Yeola in Peshwa period. Like other Indian textiles, Paithani hit a setback with Industrial Revolution and British conquest in India. In late 19th century, a Sardar from Yeola Raghuji Naik along with the trader Shyamji Valji brought a few weavers from Paithan to Yeola. Since 1980, Paithani weaving took a rebirth in town of Yeola. Before this, Yeola Shalu was majorly manufactured in Yeola. Traditionally, 4 communities practice the craft of weaving Paithani saris. 1. Kshatriya 2. Koshti 3. Shali 4. Nagpuri. The components of the Paithani are 1. The body, Sari cha anga, the plain or decorated fabric which is the major component of the sari and woven in silk with small booties. The total length of the sari may be savari or novari with a var being equivalent to a yard of fabric. The typical Paithani is hence either 6 yards or 9 yards in length and the width including the zar is 1 panna or 44 inches. 2. The edge, kaat. The border of the sari is in zari to add stiffness to the fabric and protect its edges from wear and tear. The kaat is intricately decorated with traditional motifs and varies in thickness from 2 inches to 12 inches. The kaat is along both edges of the body of the sari and is designed symmetrically. 3. The pallu, padar. The padar is generally about 24 to 36 inches of intricately woven zari work at one end of the sari and hangs free over the left shoulder once the sari is draped.